Hello everyone, I am Pranit. I am here to present my project NoteWise. NoteWise, it is an AI-powered study notes analyzer which is developed for nowadays. Students are using many PDFs and they are not understanding many things. So my app NoteWise, which is very helpful to the students, like if they upload the PPTs or any voice recordings, they'll get the analyze summary of that all the PDF and key points, and also flashcards, quizzes, and also they can chart with the PDF they uploaded or the text they have given. So this is my overview about my project. So what are the feature highlights? So flexible input. So where I can paste the text directly, or I can upload the PDF document, or I can even give the audio. So after giving all this, when they enter, we'll get a set of items, like first one, mind map, which is very useful for visualizing our PPT or the input we have given. And second one, AI summarization, we'll get all regarding insights regarding the PDFs using the Grok's Llama 3.3 70 billion model, parameter model. And also we can generate quizzes and flashcards also, and also we can chart with our notes. Yeah, these are my features. And this is the system architecture. I front end I created with React, and back end Node.js plus Express, and I have used the LLM model through Grok AI API, Llama model, and using MongoDB database which stores user info and notes. Yeah, all. And also I implemented JWT authentication layer, which is used for login, registration, or validation. Yeah. So this is the main flow of our app. So whenever user registers or login using, which is secured using JWT authentication, next user uploads notes and AI processes it, and we can explore our outputs such as summaries, mind maps, all. Yeah, next we can chart with our PDFs which our input have. It's a RAG based chart. Yeah, next one, I deployment workflows. First I created Docker images, and next using Kubernetes I pushed all those images into the Kubernetes, which is very useful and easy deployment way of Kubernetes. So where we can create separate pods for our apps and database and manage secrets and service exposure. So this is the main use of the Kubernetes. So for our security and environment manage, mainly in .env file you use these components. One is port, which is default, you can keep anything, and Mongo URA, which is MongoDB connection string, and Grok API key, which you can get the from Grok website. Using this only you can get the LLM models API usages. And finally JWT secret, you can keep anything. So these are the challenges faced. The first one is core features, second one is collaboration, and next one we have to intelligence to perform all these activities, and finally the performance growth, which can be used in the future scope. Yep, thank you. This is my project assignments. Now I will show you about the all the code and how my project works. Yeah, this is my project code. This is the readme file what I created, and you can see this server. This is index.js. This is where the backend starts, and also services. This is Grok services. This is the heart of the project where all is written. Like, see, this is prompt analysis. What here did is, whenever user uploads PPT, using that, this all prompt is given to the LLM, and using this it creates a summary, bullet points, tags, and set difficulty levels like beginner or intermediate, advanced, and it creates mind maps, quizzes, flashcards. Yeah, this all can be created in one go whenever users uploads PDF and click analyze AI. And second one, this is for chart. So I already said it before that whenever user uploads anything, they can chart with the PDF. So to chart with the PDF, these are some of the rules are given. where it can give the concise responses regarding the PPT. Yeah, this is the main heart of the PPT. Heart of the our project. This is where all the LLM responses are generated. So coming to next, these are the routes. One is authentication routes, login and register, and second one is notes. These are the different one you implemented. One is post method where single file upload or analyze notes, and second one get method where get all notes, and also get method is get notes by ID, and you can delete the notes, and we can favorite our notes or unfavorite. This is the toggle favorite, and this is for quizzes and flashcards, and we can get chart history and chart with node through this. Yeah, this is about roots, and these are the models we have used where user.js, whenever user enters using this user.js, all will be showed in the database, and this is the template for node.js where see summaries bullet tags are all saved into the MongoDB database. And this is about the conversations where all it is when it is created, when note id is created, user id created, all. This is about the chart where you can ask questions and LLM replies. This all will be stored. These are the middlewares where authentication is performed using session keys. Next, final is the controllers. These are the all implementation of all the routes we will implement here through controllers. This is authentication controller. One is registers, and next one is login. We perform here, and this is nodes controller where analyze nodes, main logic, backend logic, and next get all nodes, get nodes by ID, and delete nodes, and also toggle favorite and generate node quiz and chart history. All will be implemented here. So this is complete about the backend of our project. And next one is client. It's just basically normal, just the front end where components, different components like chart chart panel, export panel, flashcards for mind maps, note cards for quiz, for all I different components, and through app.js all will be displayed. So this is about the front end. So now let's know about the working of our app. This is our app. So first you have to log in. Yeah, gmail.com, and password, right, signing in. See, this is our interface. I already created some of the previous projects. Here some of the tags are there. You can sort by tags also. See, binary algorithms or active listening or deep learning. We can get, like, whenever any tag is created, all will be displayed here, and using the tags also you can sort. And also using levels, beginner level, there are no charts, intermediate and advanced. Yeah, and so using this most recent, like title also A to Z, and favorites first. Yeah, and also we can favorite our liked notes, and we can appear here. Just a minute, I'll reload. Yeah, this will be appears in the favorites wherever if we keep any of our notes in favorites, all the favorite notes will be appear here. And using this you can delete the chart, like I can show RK delete, so that chart will be deleted from here. So these are all about, and also you can search from here also. See, now let's create a new notes. Let's keep it as vision PDF, and I'll upload the PDF, and just click analyze with AI. Just take a few seconds. Yeah, like it's a 3 MB PPT, so it's taking a little bit time. Yeah, our not yeah, our overview is created. So this is complete summary of it is a robotic vision, crucial robotics capture process, and it generates key points like detecting objects, recognizing shapes, and image segmentation. This is regarding all the PPT. It just gives us the summary and key points. And now coming to mind map. So it creates a mind map based on the PPT, like image processing, and in the image processing, have image segmentation, template matching. Yeah, we can make it where whatever however we want. We can see, we can move. Yeah, yeah, like this you can understand the mind map. So yeah, so next going to the next feature, it's study. Like you can take quiz also. Like what is the primary function of the robotics? You can enable. Yeah, that's correct. And what is image? You can keep random thing. It shows wrong answer. Like this, you can do the quizzes. Yeah, you can get our retry quiz or review cards. Now you can also flash cards. Like what is robotic vision? You can get answer when you touch on it, flip, and you can go to next questions. Yeah, like this you can do all this. So this is one of the important feature in my. You can chat with this. How are you? Sorry. Um, so explain main points regarding this PPDF. Yeah, this is how it works. And next you can export, like you can download also Markdown, or you can download PDF also. See, this is how PDF looks like. Yeah, I think there is some server issues with this. Let's try with another notes. Can take project. Yeah, you can see here all previous project is here. So see, actually a summary of the diagram. It gives topic and code regarding all this we can. So this is complete about my project. So thank you.